What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shy, and I am back. I am better. I had to take some time off to kind of regroup and rebrand, but I am back, and I missed you all so much, and I know y'all missed me. So let's get into this quick tutorial I have. I have this 12-inch full wig, I guess you would call it. It didn't come with a lace or anything like that. It just came with combs. I got this wig from Asteria hair on AliExpress. When I bought the wig, it was on sale, and I was like, let me try it out or whatever. I never tried, a Chinese bang wig. I thought it was gonna be, big or like, not given. So I was really scared of how it would turn out in a way. I'm so petty for not getting a wax before I did a hair tutorial with my arms up, or I probably should wear another shirt, but it's cool, whatever, we gonna focus on this wig, and here it is. I finally have it on or whatever. I have to make sure it was a little secured, tuck the combs in and stuff like that. It came with a little strap too in the back, but I like the wig. Like, it was giving bouncy, thin. It was lightweight and stuff like that. You could flat iron it. It's for me hair, it was good texture. It barely shedded. So things of that sort, what you look for. When I bought the wig, I was mainly looking for like something I can just get up and just throw on, if I need to go to the gym, or, if I need to go to the store, so I won't be looking too raggedy out here. So yeah, so this is how it looked, after I ran the flat irons through it a little bit. It really didn't need that much flat ironing, so I just, bumped it a little bit, but it didn't need too much. Yeah, but like I said, I like the wig. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It's gonna serve its purpose, and that's all I was looking for at the end of the day. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, be on the lookout for more videos, more, hair tutorials, get ready with me's, whatever. Leave it in the comments. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Bye, y'all.